Hello?
Hello?
Excuse me, ma'am. Just
Yes?
a second. Who are you?
Why did you block this table right in the
Who
middle?
are you?
I'm Meenakshi Kamath.
Whom do you want to meet?
To meet Yash. Tell him that his sister-in-law is here. He knows me.
He is not here. Please come later.
So what if Yash is not around? I want to meet his family.
We can't let anyone in like that. The palace has some rules in place. What work do you have?
If I wanted to tell you, why would I tell you to let me in? Huh? Bring the senior lady of this family. Tell her Meenakshi Kamath is here.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Someone named Meenakshi Kamath is here.
Yes.
She wants to meet you. Okay. Please go in. She wants to see you.
There you go. Didn't I tell you? See you then.
Just a second. Please write down your information. Please write down your information.
My information. See, I'm done.
Go straight. The car will take you to madam.
That car?
Yes.
If this new cook is any good, I'll ask her to cook for Neha. Since how long have you been riding this rickshaw? Does this run on petrol or diesel?
We are not allowed to speak too much, ma'am.
But even the servants will be traveling on this, right? Oh my goodness, that is so nice. And you will be having many such rickshaws with you. Which means everything's free, and how do these people manage it? Huh? And do you get paid to this? Your salary will be very good, right? Huh? How much is it? Please tell me. Oh my goodness, even the house jar has designs on it. It's so nice. We don't have this. This house is so huge. Wow, wow. Does he wipe the floor every day, huh? Oh, my goodness, he's wiping
Ma'am,
and
we have
even
reached.
too. What?
We are here.
We are here too?
Yes.
Mister, do you wipe like this every day? Wow. Oh my. Such a big leaf. I have a... Oh my. This is a fake leaf. They keep such things too at their house. So nice. It feels so nice. Even the color. Oh my. Such a big chandelier. It's so nice. I'm bouncing.
She
is here. Can she do this? Let me check. I'll call you back. Bye. Greetings. I'm Meenakshi. I know it. Wow. It seems Neha has told Yash's family about me. Do you know cooking? Yes. Then what? I feel that woman should know how to cook. I know how to cook. I know very well. How much experience do you have? Since how many years have I been married? 10 years. It's been 10-12 years. Yes, and I have experience of many years. I know how to cook very well. We have many people here. There are many parties too here. So we have to cook different cuisines as per everyone's habit and likes, okay? Menu is also different always. So Italian, continental, Chinese, Japanese, India and world cuisine has to be cooked. Can you do it? Where do I have to go? Neha will have to do it. It seems she is telling me as I'm elder in my family. Yes, it can be done. What is so great about it? And I feel that once we start doing it, then we get used to it. The salary of my staff is fixed. So even you will be informed once you are finalized. Okay? But can I ask something? I mean, who are you? I am Simi Chaudhary. Come to the kitchen. Yes, come. Please come. A kitchen is the second home of a woman. Move. You are talking too much. Move. Yes, let's go. Come on. Our kitchen is the second home. Oh my. Your kitchen is so big. My whole house is this big. Do you know how to make black tea? Yes. Black tea. He's so rich. She's saving money by drinking black tea. Neha knows how to make normal tea, so she will know this. Black tea. Yes. What are you saying? She knows everything, and she makes sangra dish so nicely. The people who eat it, they lick their fingers like this. Bad manners. Bad manners. No one eats like a low-class person by licking their fingers, okay? Wash your hands first. Yes, I will. Look at this. I washed it. Sanitize it. I washed my hands just now. I have to sanitize it too. Sanitize it. Is she testing me to select Neha? Let it be. This wedding needs to happen anyhow. Look, I took so much. What rubbish is that? Behave. Sorry. Where is the vessel to make tea? Find it out. Then even you will know the kitchen. Yes. I will check. Oh my, you kept it here itself. And the water is there too. Neha is not even aware what all I am doing for her. I will take a sari worth 5,000 rupees from her in-laws. Not 5, but 10,000. No, not 10. I'll take a sari worth 20,000 rupees. I'm the eldest from her family side. I will take a sari worth 25,000 rupees. Hey, hello. What is going on? Wear gloves first. Why are you doing this? I just washed the hands and even applied sanitizer. Wear gloves. Hygiene is important. Okay? And you should learn the rules of this house first. Fine. It's done. I want it. Cap, apron. Do I have to wear that too? I will wear it. Oh my, what is this? I cannot see anything. Where should I see from? Yes, here. I'm starting the stove. It burned. Ghee powder? I have to find it right. One, two. That's it. Okay. Ginger? Yeah, I should find it. Sorry. Look, Ginger is here. Hey! Oh my! What are you doing? Hey, we don't do all this stuff like middle class people, okay? Okay. Cut it. Fine. Hey, will this work? I'll take this. What are you doing? Put it in the tea. Yes, I put it. Sugar? Sugar. I didn't say it back then. I have to find it. But this is not sugar. Sugar cubes. I got it. Oh my goodness. Oh, it fell down. I'll put it. Single cube. Can I ask something? When do we talk about give and take? What do you know? Everything. There is no question about it. Sushi, lasagna, blamage, empanada, enchilada. World cuisine. I had told you back then, right? Yes, it can be done. Everything can be done. It seems the tea has got boiled. Take it. What are you doing? What is going on? What's going on with you? You don't know even one word and want to stay in this palace? Out. Staff. Why are you calling the staff? Staff, please don't call them. I was just drinking tea. Go out first. I have rejected you. Oh, how can you do that? But who are what is going on? And what are you talking about? I am the owner here, and everything happens as per my wish. Get out of my sight. But you listen to me at least. Oh, my goodness.
Yes, sir, is here, ma'am.
Good. Is he alone or is there anyone with him?
There is a lady with him.
That's wonderful. Yeah, leave me. Are you even capable of handling me? Yes? And what did you feel? Don't fight with me.
Why are you here? She's my sister-in-law.
Yes, understood? Leave me. Go.
Sister? What are you doing here?
I came here just like that. To meet?
Who?
Even if you don't tell me still, won't I know? So don't hide anything from me, okay? And if we are close enough for me to know what is in your mind, right?
What did you know?
Look. You are here. I am also here. And you are asking me that's what is in my mind. Who else is here to talk to them about you and Yash's alliance apart from me? Me only. Your brother is not at all worried about you. I've told you so many times, but I am just concerned about you only day and night. But I came here, I saw the house, I met Simi.
Aunt Simmi. You met Aunt Simmi? Where? What did she say? What did you say to her?
Yes, I'm telling you that only I met her. Now you don't have to worry about anything. Everything is nice and you don't have to worry about anything at all.
Sister-in-law, how? I mean, you are here. You met me today morning itself, right? You didn't tell me anything then. You should have given a hint.
Is it? Hint? Did you give me a hint about all this? Huh? Did you tell me? Oh my Yash, how are you?
Sister, you and here?
Yes, it's me only. But Yash, now don't hide anything from me, okay? I found out everything. Anyway, Nia tells me everything about her. But if she doesn't tell me, still I find out everything. Right, Nia? She said yes. Now we should only come here to talk about the alliance as brothers and sisters, right?
Of course.
Hi, Yash.
Hi, Aunt.
Hi, Neha. When did you come?
Right now.
Oh, good. You are still here? What are you doing? Out!
Aunt. She's Neha's elder sister-in-law. Aunt, you both already met?
She's Neha's sister-in-law. Yes, yes. We have met already. Yash, do you know what happened? I came and she took me to the kitchen right away. And the fun is that... of course, we were expecting a new cook today. And since the color of your sari and even the color of the uniform of our staff is similar, so I got confused. Is it? Is that what happened, Miss Simi? I was not aware.
What happened?
Nothing. Once she came, we went directly to the kitchen while chatting. She started to make tea directly. She's very, very sweet. She made nice tea with ginger. Like our staff drinks. Just like that. It was nice, right? Yes. And since your cooking is so good, Neha will also be a good cook. She is. And Neha is an expert cook. She cooks well like me. I remembered something from cooking. Your kitchen. Oh my goodness. Yash, your kitchen is so big. I mean, your kitchen can be called a house in itself. Thank you. People like us don't even have house that big.
Sister-in-law?
Neha, did you see their kitchen? Hey, there are so many utensils. There are so many spoons and so many other things. And the vessel. And the vessel was so big. Oh my goodness. Listen, even if we cook in such a place, then the cooking will be good only, right? Actually, you have only seen our kitchen. Our palace is also very big. You want to say it? Yes, it will be very nice. But I don't want to walk. I want to see in the rickshaw. You mean car? That's what. Rickshaw. Look, it's going from the rickshaw. Hey, come here, taking a turn. Come here, I will come. Yes, when I come back, then I saw your house. It's very big. So I felt it's better to roam in a rickshaw. You mean palace? That's what. Neha, come, let's go on a stroll. Come. One moment. Let them spend some time with each other. You do one thing. You see the palace? John will show you. John? Is it? It will work for me. Come on, Mr. John. Let's both of us go to see the palace. I'm seated.
Sorry, my sister-in-law.
Please, don't worry. Relax. If you want something, then tell me. I will send it over to the terrace.
No, I don't want anything.
How can that be? You are my special guest whom I have invited. So I insist you must have something. Okay? I feel that you should check out your future room and this mansion, huh?
Aunt, I brought this for you.
What is this?
Neha made some pudding for us. You must try it. It's out of the world.
Of course, I'm sure. If Neha has made it, then it will be nice. But there was no need for such a formality, Neha. Now you are one of our own, huh? Why unnecessarily? Oh, wow. This smells delicious. I'll do one thing. First, I will eat this pudding and then I will take care of you tea and snacks, okay? Yes, please. Oh my goodness. Staff! Take this and serve it to dogs. and check out the opulence of Chaudhary's. Then you will feel like forging a relation with this family. And once that relation is forged, then only will the real fun begin.